Welcome to your Daily US Astro Brief for Friday, February 20th, 2026. I'm your host, and we are getting straight to the point. Here is what you can see in the sky tonight, and the biggest news from deep space. If you have clear skies tonight, you are in for a treat. We are right in the middle of a massive planetary parade. Step outside about 45 minutes after your local sunset, which is around 5:35 p.m. on the East Coast and 5:40 p.m. on the West Coast. Look straight toward the western horizon. You will easily spot a thin, beautifully bright crescent moon. Right next to the moon, just slightly to the left, is the yellowish glow of Saturn. But keep looking below the moon. Right near the horizon, you will see two more planets. The first is Mercury. It is currently at its furthest visual distance from the Sun, making this the absolute best time all year to see it. Just below Mercury, blazing bright, is Venus. These planets are lining up because they all orbit the Sun on the same flat plane, like cars on a racetrack. And if you turn around and look east, you can't miss Jupiter. It is currently the brightest object in the evening sky, sitting right next to the famous winter stars. Grab a pair of binoculars if you have them, and enjoy the view. Moving into deep space, astronomers have confirmed an incredible discovery in the Andromeda Galaxy. Usually, when a massive star dies, it blows up in a giant explosion called a supernova. But researchers looking at years of telescope data have found a star that was 13 times the mass of our Sun, and it simply vanished. Instead of exploding, the star's outer layers collapsed inwards so fast and so heavy that it instantly formed a black hole. It's a rare, quiet death for a giant star, and it proves that black holes can form without the massive fireworks we usually expect. Finally, in rocket news, humans are one step closer to returning to the moon. Late last night, NASA successfully completed the crucial wet dress rehearsal for the Artemis II moon rocket. Engineers pumped over 700,000 gallons of super cold liquid fuel into the giant rocket and counted down to just 29 seconds before a simulated launch. The test was a massive success, fixing previous fuel leaks and paving the way for a crewed flight around the moon soon. Meanwhile, up in low Earth orbit, the 4 astronauts of SpaceX's Crew-12 mission are settling into their first full week aboard the International Space Station, unpacking fresh science experiments for the months ahead. That is your Astro Brief for today. Keep looking up, and I'll see you tomorrow.